Hello, Reagan staff. This is Mrs. Tweeten. I'm just creating a short tutorial of how you can personalize your Clever to make it easier access for your kids for links that are not provided by the district, but you want your kids to easily access. So you get into your Clever like usual. Once you arrive on your homepage, you will see a district page. Inside there are the district apps that are available. You can also create your own classroom. This one is mine. We're going to create our own just so you will know how to create your own. Down at the bottom of your page, if you scroll down, you should see in the bottom right-hand corner a green button that says Add. When you select that, it'll pop up with a page icon. Select that. And now you've created a new page, which self-populated with your name and page. So I'm going to change that because I like to name my things Team Tweeten for my class. And now my page is called Team Tweeten. That's simple. Then I click on the icon and personalize it. I don't like the ones that are there. I have already downloaded from my Bitmoji extension some Team Tweeten icons that I'd like to select. But for right now, I'm just going to choose, let's say random, this one. All right, so now it's going to upload and now it's my selection. I'm also going to choose the page header color. I like purple, so purple it is. Then save, and now you're done. Okay, I'm not going to get into this create a teacher announcement. I don't think it's necessary, and it's just one more tool to overwhelm us. On the side, you can edit who sees your page. Right now, it's only me because I'm not sharing this with my kids, but when you're ready, you can select all students you teach. Okay, so there's nothing currently on my page. I go to the add button and there are different categories to select: PDF, link, or app. Mine are simply just going to be links unless there's some PDF that you'd like to attach there for your students. You can do that as well. The neat thing about this is you can also upload your own icon. I will tell you that you do have to have your icons downloaded to your device in order to upload them. It doesn't have the option to upload from Drive. Okay, so I know that I want my class webpage. So I'm going to put my shortened URL link here. It's bit.ly/tweetendl to make it a lot easier than those longer links. And I'm going to name my website, Team Tweeten, like I have it on my website. I'm not going to name the category. And then I'm going to upload an icon. The icon I'm going to select doesn't matter at this point because it's just a sample. And that's it. And then I simply just click the blue button that says add link and it is there. Okay, so I can add various things. I can add my Zoom meeting link. I can add the school website there if it's, I know in the other district page or the available links that we can add, it's there, but the icon isn't very flattering. So it's kind of hit or miss if they're going to be able to find it there. And there's a lot of good information on the district webpage, but you could definitely upload the icon for our Reagan website by just going to the Reagan website, right-clicking on the icon and saving it to your device if you don't have it already. But just one thing to note is you must have your icons already downloaded to your device. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully that was helpful. If you don't know how to create your own icons and you have the extension, if you don't download it, but you would just go to Bitmoji extension in your extensions bar. And so this is mine. If I want it to say messages, going to populate. It takes a little bit of time. Sometimes they don't give you the greatest pictures, so I would probably choose this one. If I want to do Team Tweeten, ignore the typing. My computer, my brain is working faster than my keys on my keyboard. All right, so again, you can, it doesn't matter if you have lowercase or uppercase, so I just randomly did that. So anyway, you can select any of those, and if you do it a few times, it'll give you different pictures each time. So just keep trying until you get what you like, but you can do a variety of Bitmojis, whichever works for you. So there you go. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this tutorial, please feel free to send me an email and I'll do my best to help you out. When you go back to your homeroom, you'll know that you have done it correctly when you see it as an available choice. You can also delete them by going here. Okay, bye.